Now this, newly minted millionaires from the SpaceX IPO flooding the real estate market in Los Angeles. Listen to what Josh Altman had to say earlier in the week. Watch this.
SpaceX, they build rockets, and those rockets just launched an entire new class of luxury buyers. 4,400 millionaires are going to be running around. 100+ millionaires are going to be running around. Hawthorne is in the South Bay. You got places with great luxury real estate like Manhattan Beach, Hermosa Beach, Redondo Beach, Palos Verdes. You are absolutely changing a market. And the heavy hitters, they're going to go to Beverly Hills. They're going to go to Newport Beach.
Well, there you have it. Katrina Campins joins us on the set now. And Katrina, I know your expertise is in South Florida. But I would imagine some of these SpaceX newly minted millionaires and good knows billionaires, so Florida is a very attractive state to move to, certainly from taxes and financial point of view.
I'm experiencing it now firsthand.
You are.
So many of my buyers are people that invested early on in SpaceX. I remember them telling me years ago, I'm investing in this thing called SpaceX, as we're hanging out barbecuing. And then now, years later, their wives, ironically enough, are like, we need to cash out and buy that luxury home. And we're already starting to show them properties in anticipation of the August 6th. It's the first opportunity to be able to cash out. And they're all cash buyers, obviously.
And what kind of price range? I
mean, you're talking about, I have one 10 million, 15 million, 20 million.
Fantastic.
And the wives are like, higher, 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 and so people are going to take advantage of it. I also have a lot of people, because of the stock market, the stock market is doing so incredibly well, they're finally saying, okay, I don't want to completely, entirely remove myself from the stock market, but I definitely want to diversify, right, and buy real assets. And a lot of that is going into the luxury real estate market in South Florida because of our taxes, because of all the benefits, because Florida is business friendly, and because of the weather. And you and I have covered Florida quite a bit.
Little sweaty at times, but that's, hey, that's Florida. I got another one for you. Florida is reportedly leading the nation in homes for sale, accounting for 1 in 7 of all home sales in America. That's impressive. We spoke to one couple who made a cross-country move from California to Florida. I want you to listen to what they said.
Well, probably quality of life was the #1 reason. Just the crime, the homelessness, the disrepair, the city and the state's infrastructure, it just was really falling apart over the last 10, 15 years.
We really wanted a sense of safety and community, and we weren't getting that in Los Angeles anymore.
Every day I drive down the streets here in Naples, it reminds me that we made the right decision. It's such a huge improvement, and it's hard to overstate how much LA has really fallen on hard times.
So bottom line, Katrina, quality of life is a big reason.
It's the #1 reason right now driving real estate. What's interesting is that so many people now want farm life or more land. You're seeing that people are reevaluating the importance of life, and they want to spend more time with their family. They want more space. What's interesting is with all this technology that we're talking about, it's actually emphasizing the importance of getting back to the simple things in life and enjoying those moments. And so many people are reevaluating what's important in life. That's why you see this influx from California to Florida. And I see so many actors, which is interesting because, right, they needed to be in LA for so many years for various different reasons, but now they're all coming to South Florida along with the billionaires and the millionaires and so forth. And people just want space. They're spending more and more time alone. They're homeschooling their kids. Interesting, with all these robots and technology, people just want to enjoy the simple things in life.
Very quickly, what about housing listings for those perhaps more in the middle class, more in the middle there, a lot lower than the luxury range?
Yes, and those sales are a lot slower, but I will say that we have a lot of inventory specifically right now in South Florida for the lower end and middle end brackets, because there's a lot of inventory that came into the market recently. And yes, it's going by, we're selling it, but it's a little bit slower in that price range than it is the luxury market. But I think Florida is always going to be Florida, and we're becoming really the epicenter of the world.
It does feel that way, doesn't it?
It does.
Katrina Campins, thank you so much, Katrina. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me, Ashley.